Hi, this is Avudukuri, founder here at Vizetto. I want to show you how you can easily transform your remote presentations. It doesn't matter if you're on a Zoom or a Teams call. Because usually, when you're in a remote presentation, your presentation takes over and you're a tiny little postage stamp or a thumbnail on the top or on the side. No one can see you, it's hard to pay attention, and it's very difficult to go ahead and focus. Well, Reactiv SUITE transforms that experience. Reactiv is dead easy to use. It's actually a companion app to your Zoom or Teams or any other video conferencing platform. So it doesn't matter what content you use or what video conferencing system you use. All you do is you click the screen share button, pick the Reactiv SUITE window, and instantly transform. So Reactiv will take those boring, static Zoom or Teams presentations and convert them into these dynamic, engaging, almost immersive meeting experiences where your audience will feel like they're actually in the same room. Let me show you how easy it is. On your laptop, using Reactiv, you just pick the layout that you want, pick the document that you want to use, and instantly change your static presentations into these interactive meeting experiences. What Reactiv does is it takes your brand, your image, and your document and creates almost like a broadcast quality experience on Zoom. So when you screen share, people will feel like they're actually talking to you. You can even ink, highlight, point out different aspects, write, and create engagement. Now you can switch this out into any other document. I can pull up videos, I can pull up pictures, images. Any type of content can be brought right into Reactiv.